In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit experience in LinkedIn. If you want to update a job title, change a company description, or simply keep your profile current, LinkedIn makes it fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make your edits quickly and confidently. Start by going to your LinkedIn feed. This is the main homepage you see after signing in. From here, you'll be able to access your profile and navigate to the Experience section where your work history is listed. Next, look at the top row of the page and click on the Me drop-down. This menu gives you access to your account and profile options. If you're not sure where it is, it's usually located toward the upper right area of the LinkedIn navigation bar. Once the menu opens, click on View Profile. This will take you directly to your public profile page, where all of your professional information is displayed, including your headline, About section, and your experience history. Now scroll down until you find the Experience section. When you're there, click on the pen icon next to Experience. This is the edit option for that part of your profile. Scrolling carefully is helpful here, especially if your profile has several sections and a longer work history. After that, click on the pen icon next to the specific job entry you want to change, or use the pen icon for the section header if you need to adjust the broader experience area. This is where you can update the details for a particular role, such as your title, company, dates, location, or description. Take a moment to review everything before saving so your profile stays polished and accurate. It's a good idea to make sure the wording is clear and professional, since this section often plays a big role in how recruiters and connections evaluate your background. Once you've finished making your changes, click Save. This will apply your updates to your LinkedIn profile. After saving, you may want to quickly review this section one more time to confirm everything appears the way you intended. That's all it takes to edit your experience on LinkedIn. Keeping this section updated helps present your most relevant work history and can make your profile stronger overall. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to manage your experience section with ease.